Hey fellas, I go by the name OYINBO BOYFRIEnd, and you're welcome to my world. In this world, boys gonna do anything possible to have a good life. For my own case, I thank God that I was born fly. And I'm not talking about the born fly like the born rich or with a silver spoon type of fly. I'm talking about fly like the fine boy type of fly. And man, ladies always love fresh boys with steez. Now that's what I always use to my advantage and get them. Right now, this girl on the screen is my target. So now, go get your popcorn and put your seatbelts on and let me take you on a ride on how I'm gonna get this young, beautiful entrepreneur.
Babe, how far now? I didn't find my dear. How far? You ain't know. My guy, be fast though. Alright, see you. Look at the way you're looking. Don't for me now.
Let me turn.
Sharp girl.
Trust me now.
My dear, you are welcome.
Babe, what's up now? How have you been?
Been good.
Well, I've been seeing your posts online, your videos. This business is moving, no? This my girl, we go make her.
By the special grace of God. So, how far are you spending the week? Oh?
Yes, so sorry I didn't even inform you while we were making call. School is almost over, so I said let me come and stay with you for a while before we resume. Hope you're okay with it.
Oh, what? You even came at the right time, girl.
Oh,
I was just about to make a live video on my business.
Wow, that means I will join you with that.
My dear.
We go pepper them.
Pepper soup.
I trust you now.
Okay, so I think you should just drop your bag there.
Okay, let me just drop it so that we can make a video right away.
Alright, my fine friend.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
How they look for gateway girls are. Why this thing they give me? See, I go to the man give me better face, so I want better girl.
My people, country people, I don't come back again, no. It's your girl. People, support my business now.
Hey, wait, it be like say this girl on pop, make her check this girl on.
My people, country people, I don't come back again, no. It's your girl. People, support my business now. I sell fine hair bonnet. See now, until you've been wearing that your own. Since when? I sell fine hair bonnet. See now, until you've been wearing that your own. Since when? Babe! Juliet!
Jen, how far?
Come.
Jen, now advertisement time. Let's do it. Our customers, come and patronize our bonnet. We have them in different colors. Oh. Come and patronize us.
Bam! Clap for me, I don't get one. This girl go make her see what she carry.
We have this one. Can't you see? We are not in the era of hairnets now. It's bonnet, oh. Come and support us. Today is our own. Tomorrow will be your own, oh.
If you not support us, tomorrow we go see you, your sister, your friend. We not go buy from them.
Nah, see clean babe now. See this girl go get money. Nah, how I go click. Ache. Oluwa, I dey do Yahoo, but if I finish this one like this, once he click, I pray. If he click, I no go do am again. Every day you go dey see me for church, I go dey pray.
Support us.
Come and support us.
See this one, Seth. See this one.
You see this one? Green, red. Ah, check am now.
This thing get money, bro. It don't enter. Now we go run am. We don't get am. I go run this thing.
Come and get your own, no, before it's too late, before it will finish.
Chicken money, oh. It's not costly, I beg. My people, support us now. You know, want us to chop, eh?
Now my time. Oh boy.
My friend, they come. Okay now.
Bam, it don't go be that.
Message. Who be this?
Oyibo boyfriend.
Let me check out.
Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money give para, oh. Take it, manga. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money give para, oh. Take it, manga.
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
You carry money give
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
para, oh.
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
Carry money go give
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
Take it, manga.
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
You carry money give
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
para, oh.
Fake Oyibo boyfriend.
Carry money go
I go catch you.
Fake Oyibo
It don't enter.
carry you like guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh.
Babe, how fun now?
Ah,
I saw your
babe,
missed
my
call.
friend.
I just rushed and come.
I've been calling you since.
What's up?
I get gist now.
Jeez! You know I love G's now.
Babe, you won't believe what happened
What
today.
happened?
I was just doing my normal online.
Yeah, your bonnet stuff.
Soon, Oyibo DM'd me.
Did you just say Oyibo?
Oyibo, my friend.
Hey.
He DM'd me. I kuku reply. You know your friend
But
now.
won't you reply? I trust you now.
I reply. If you see that guy, so fine, get money.
Money. That's what's up. That's the language. That's what I want to hear. Money.
If you hear that guy voice, the way he speaks, his accent.
My friend.
I'm
I
in
trust
love.
you. My friend is in love. Oh my
Guess
God.
what?
What?
He will be coming to Yola to see your girl. I can't wait.
I can't wait to see him too.
I just hope that this will last.
yeah.
Because I really love this
From
guy.
the look of things, you really love
I
this guy.
do.
I just hope it will last. I'm happy for you.
Amen. Babe, I just can't wait for you to meet this guy.
You know me now. That one cannot pass me.
You go like him.
Honestly.
He get money. We go flex
No
am.
wahala now. No wahala. Shall we dey?
We did.
So no problem.
Yee! Guy. This girl go me do.
My guy, my friend, my baby.
My babe.
See, my friend, if not for you, my God will bless you. You see the deliveries you helped me carry out today, my friend. My God will bless you. Ain't go surprise
What
you.
are friends for?
Hey,
OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
let me even see her profile. This one, this girl go mean. This girl go mean.
You see that man, the way he was just staring at you.
I beg you, don't mind that man. Better himself.
We don't collect our money now.
Now the money we want now. Don't mind them.
My Oyibo bobo.
You want this or Igbo? Waiting the sub now, sir.
Make her enter na, see what in the shop. He dey whine us.
That I should send my account details. He wants to surprise me. He wants to spoil his baby girl.
Send them sharp.
I don't send them.
Sharp.
I don't send them already.
Oh, but boy, God, I beg, make this one oil. Make this one oil.
He said that he will send you. He's working on it. 100K. We don't make money be that now. Business go blow again. We go flex. I beg, let's cheers to that. I almost forgot myself. Cheers to more money. That he will be in town soon.
Let him do and come, I beg. So
Let the
that
100K drop first before he comes, Abi.
Yes, now, before. You know they carry money matter they play.
My guy, it's almost time for the next delivery. Don't be tired of your
like
friend.
you said, money first.
Money first.
This son, eh?
Hey, babe. Is there anything like fake alert?
Show me now. Wait.
He don't send them 100K. See. 100K. Woo!
The 100K they jump and shouting like this.
Auntie,
Jane.
give me 100K now, Madam Juliet.
I no
Give me
get
100K if you get them. 100K. You not gonna chop this money.
These customers today, they will arrange our things. But honestly, this today's one is too much. I'm very tired. I don't know about you.
I'm so tired. I'm really tired, honestly. These today customers chop. They were just buying. The delivery much.
We just pray that we'll sell everything today so that we will do another one.
Amen. Oh. Who be this?
OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
You again now? What is it?
He's coming to see me, my Oyibo boyfriend. Coming to see his baby.
You know they say seeing is believing. Let me see.
See what?
Let me see.
See.
You know me with Amebo now.
See.
It's true. Oh.
Okay.
No, they carry you like guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. While I did this will be wise, oh. You carry money, can't give her.
Jane. So when is he coming?
Juliet. Let me see. He just texted next week. Ha! Ooh!
Oyibo girlfriend. So finally from 100K, now he's coming to see you.
No, they carry all our guys for mind, Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head,
This one is strong, oh. Okay now.
Come carry money, give around. Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world, be wise, oh.
Waiting, why you dey look me like that?
Love the pepper you for body now. The way they do this can't thing, I don't understand. Oh.
Didn't you see this guy? The guy fine, Jare. Allow me to do my thing. No bad belle.
Let me allow you, but don't forget to. We have bonnet to prepare
No
for
wahala.
delivery.
No wahala.
Better do so that we finish this thing.
No
So that we
wahala.
rest for the day.
Auntie Juliet, no wahala.
Let me go inside and leave you.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go get.
This pepper now, how much you buy am?
500 oh.
Things cost now. This small pepper is 500. They'll just manage them like that.
I almost refused buying it too. Because this thing, haba, this small thing, 500.
Imagine.
And the guy safe, he was just eyeing me as if he wants to swallow me. What will I do with that dirty thing?
Hope you didn't tell him you have your ego already.
Speaking of which, I beg my friend, let's be fast though. I want to go and see somebody. Why you dey look me?
I want to go and see my OYINBO boyfriend. That's what you say. Which one is somebody?
Okay, you don't catch me. I want to go and see my OYINBO
Be
boyfriend.
fast. Even me too, I'm hungry, sef. I'm almost done.
Me safe, I'm done safe. My friend, you know what?
Jane, waiting.
You know I love you, right? Very much.
Don't even go there. Oh.
Wait now. My friend, I love you. Mwah, mwah.
You are going to go and see this guy. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't warn you. Now I finish this thing. Chop safe. OYINBO boyfriend. Now the only thing we should know. Make she shall come back now. Now to this thing, she.
My friend, how do I look?
Beautiful as always.
I'll see you when I get back.
Oh yeah, now bye-bye.
Bye!
Careful.
Yeah, welcome to my world,
Wow.
baby.
This place is beautiful.
Yeah, you know, when I came to town, I was like, man, let me just find somewhere that's gonna be beautiful as you know what I'm saying? That's my princess. Can you turn around for me? Yeah, all right. How is everything going?
Everything is fine.
Let's
Thank
see it,
God.
let's see it, right?
All right.
Yeah, okay. Just take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, so what's up?
I'm good, babe.
Yeah, so you feeling me? You fit the vibes, right?
I love what I see.
That's
You look
what we
more
do,
than what I
man.
expected.
I knew you gonna like it. I knew you gonna like it. Straight from the US, you know, I just came down and I'm like, man, I'ma see my heart back first. Sorry, I came in yesterday. I didn't meet you around, but today I say I'm gonna have the full day with you, you know what I'm saying?
You have to make it up to me. Oh.
Oh man, but you look beautiful, honestly. I like your hair.
Thank you, babe.
I like the gown, you look good. So how's business going?
Well, business is going well.
Yeah, I've seen your line just pulling out things like, hey, you ain't buy my bonnet, hey, buy my star. I was like, I'ma see this girl up, man.
That's lovely. You love it, right?
Yeah, so you're really doing good. Like your business now. Do you make like 100 million, 50 million, stuff like
Oh,
that?
babe, stop that.
Yeah, you know,
Well,
you look pink, man.
For starters, I make like 1M in a month.
Like 1 million?
Yeah.
Man, that's no way my baby's gonna be making that kind of money, man.
So what
Like
are
1
you
million
saying?
a month. Man, we talking in bills. What? Come on, don't
Be
shit me
what?
out. We talking billions. You met, man, like that's we don't deal with. Okay, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna change your life. I'm gonna change your
Are you
business.
serious?
I'm gonna take you to Dubai.
Babe, stop
take
joking
you around
now.
the world.
Are you serious?
I'm gonna open your headquarters in the whole world. We're gonna fly out to the US and open a brand for you, you know.
Babe, you don't mean it.
Yeah, you deserve it, babe, because I love you. I flew all the way from the US to come and see you. What you think, man?
Thank you.
You feel the boy?
Of course I
Yeah,
am.
man, I know she's gonna feel me, man. Okay, over here now, like you stay around here or stuff like that.
Yeah, I do.
Maybe you're gonna take me around, maybe some. Are you free right now?
I am. Let's go.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
All right, now, I'ma go maybe freshen up, and then when
Okay.
I freshen up, then we gonna go to town.
Babe,
Yeah,
before you do that,
Yeah.
what did you bring for your baby girl?
I'ma gonna surprise you with that. Just
can't
let me
wait.
do it. Just let me do it. I'ma surprise you. How can I be this blinky, man? Don't you see how fly
I
live?
love your accent, babe.
He loved the accent. Oh my God! I told my nigga, all these girls are gonna feel me. Yeah. But you already
I
know
don't
my heart is
understand
meant
all
for you.
these girls.
My heart
So
is
you are
meant for
following.
you. Man, you know all the girls feel me, right? Man, I'm fly, but I don't feel no girl. I only feel you. Yeah, I love that smile. Can you do that again? Oh my God, that's my baby. Now let me freshen up.
Okay,
Then we
babe.
gonna go to town. You know what I'm saying?
I will be here
We'll
waiting.
be right back. All right.
Dollars. See money. Ah, my girl go hear this gist. This guy is loaded.
Babe, what's up? I'm done, man. We can go check it out.
And babe, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm done too.
Yeah, you better hurry up.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm done.
Where you at? I'm curious.
I'm coming, babe. I'm coming.
I wanna see the city.
OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, king.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Man away.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it,
OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Man, I really love the town, man. I really love the city.
You do?
Yeah, what? Like no when I left the city, it was just small, like. But right now, it's looking good.
All thanks to Governor Fintri.
I mean, I must commend that. Yeah, I would love to invest here like couple of billions. I can invest something like that in the city. Right?
Billions.
Yeah, I was there. I know what I'm saying. Boy, I'm impressed, though. I'm impressed. There's a lot of money in this place. And I see business opportunity, and I know you're going to take care of the business. You're going to do that for us.
Of course I will. I
Yeah.
can. In fact,
Yeah. Most especially the restaurant, man. Yeah, I really love Fastnet. I love that Fastnet restaurant. I love the food. I love the environment. It just remind me of the US, you know what I'm saying?
the US.
Yeah, don't worry. I will take you down to US. You're gonna see restaurants.
Babe, are you serious? I
Very
hope you're not
serious.
just blabbing.
I'm very serious, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly. So for your business now, I've seen a location I'd like to get shot for you around it.
Really?
When we passed that Fastnet, sir,
Yeah.
there was this side that I saw that, okay, I'm gonna see with the governor before I go back and see if he's gonna give me permit
You
and
do
that.
all of this for me, babe.
Definitely, my baby. You
That's
good.
why I love you.
You're nice, man. I can move the world for you. I
Thank
can move the
you.
world for you. Yeah, I got business meeting right now. In
Right
like
now?
30 minutes. I'ma
So we
drop you
just
off.
got back.
Yeah, I'll see you later. Right now I'll have to catch up. Then I'll call you. Let me freshen up. Let me change. So I'll go drop you.
Okay.
All right. You can just enjoy yourself and have some good time because you're in the big boy's house.
OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Yeah, babe, how you doing? What's up? Where you at right now? Man, that is a very big problem. I went to change. I went to change some stuff right now. I got some stuff from the store and I was trying to go after you now. One of my partner called me that there's this asset I gotta buy. Yeah, it's worth almost 500 million. And no, I have part of the money. I just need some couple of millions to fill it up. And it's like you told me that day you have like 5M. Yeah, I really needed it because right now I only got dollar with me. And I don't know where to change it right now close by here and the guy's waiting for me. So can you calm down? Yeah. Can you calm down? So I'll see how I'll fix this. All right. Please, I'm right now in my hotel room. I'm waiting right now. Please brush up. Okay, cool. All right. See you.
Babe,
Hey,
I've
yo.
been calling you now.
Oh,
You
man.
sounded so urgent. You got me worried.
You
What's
almost
the
scared me,
problem?
man. I almost die right now.
You scared me first.
What's
I've
going
been
on?
calling
Oh,
you.
yeah, man. I got a big problem, man. You know, I have to buy this asset, and the guy's just telling me I should calm down right now, and I don't have the full cash right now. So what I have is dollars right now. And I know you have some millions of nairas, right? You got up to 5 million?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
do.
just need that. Let me get that. I'm not gonna give you right now.
Okay.
So you know where to change it, or later when I come back.
Don't worry, I know where to change it.
That's
Go
good,
with
man.
my
Let me
friend.
get the dollars. Man, you are my life savior right now. God.
Calm down. I will do anything for you, babe.
Yeah, baby.
Yes.
Thank you for coming. Now, here is $5,000, you know. Hold up a second. I gotta hold this a little while. Does this look like real dollars to you? Well, we gonna find out a little bit later. Now let's watch. Let's roll on. Just go change it. Like I know it's gonna be like 7 AM, stuff like that. Now you gonna hold
You are
it.
willing to let that go because of 5 million.
I need to buy this. Can you send the money to me?
Okay.
Send that money. I need that right
Your
now.
account number, your account
Yeah,
number.
02. Yeah, 2550. Let me put it. Yeah, just 5 AM.
Okay.
What you feeling? You never had dollars before?
Send, babe.
Yeah, man, that's why I love you. Oh my God, now I gotta go drop you. Then from there I'ma just
Are you in a hurry like this?
Yeah, I need to go buy these.
Okay, wait. Let me hide this.
Yeah, keep it damn right. Keep it right. Yeah, please. All right, now let's go run that.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, be
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Marawe.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it, back.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, be
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Marawe.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Big OYINBO boyfriend.
Yeah.
I told you that all these ladies love fly dude with steers. Now my target has fallen in my trap. Catch up with us and join us in episode 2 and you're gonna see how we pick up from there. I'll see you there. Let's go.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
God help me.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Because they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money, give para, oh. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Aye. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Aye. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money, give para, oh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Fake
OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Yeah.
No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. You carry money, can't give around, oh. Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Yeah.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Because they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money, give para, oh. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Aye. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Aye. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money, give para, oh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Because they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money, give para, oh. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Aye. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Aye. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money, give para, oh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Para, oh, eh.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO they carry all our guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. You carry money, can't give around, oh.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Yeah.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. Fake OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend. OYINBO boyfriend.
Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money, give para, oh. Take it, manda. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money, give para, oh. Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it, manda.
No, they carry all our guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. You carry money, can't give around, oh.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake
Take it,
OYINBO
manda.
boyfriend.
Yeah. Now they carry all the guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Can't carry money, give para, oh. Take it, manda. No, they carry all the guys for mind, oh. Come they carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. Come carry money, give para, oh. Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake
Take it,
OYINBO
manda.
boyfriend.
Yeah.
No, they carry all our guys for mind, oh. You can't carry boyfriend stuff for head, oh. Wahala dey this world be wise, oh. You carry money, can't give around, oh.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Take it, manda.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
You carry money, give.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Madawe.
Fake OYINBO boyfriend.
Carry money, go give.
Fake
Take it,
OYINBO
manda.
boyfriend.